Hi everybody, Bob, John Milligar Machinery. We're outside in the sunshine. It's August, not far from Scarifying season. Now if you believe it's nearly end of August, September, not quite. We're probably, I don't know what we are, early July. Just preloading videos. So we're going to be looking at Scarifying. We have done some videos on Scarifying before. Maybe a bit of a recap. Now the plan is, if all goes to plan, and in this industry it never always goes to plan, is when it's actually the Scarifying season, which is probably, well, depending on what the weather's doing. If we get lots of rain later in the year, September-ish, October-ish, we are going to go out to the front of the shop on the grass, which is, like I said before, a lot of the videos is pretty naff, and we're going to mark out an area, cut it, Scarify it, and I'm probably dropping myself in it for lots of work to do, look after it, reseed it, and see what happens. And we'll probably try and get a before and after photo. Now that's the plan. So this video is a bit of a recap on what Scarifying is, what it does, the machines available, and the benefits for your lawn. Now, you probably all noticed, this year, last year, it's been rather damn hot. So we all need to probably, well, you don't all need to, if you want your grass to start looking nice, you may have to maybe start doing the bits to it, okay, to make it look green through the hot months. It can end up being an obsession of a lot of people, so you've got to go careful not to tip the balance, and you'll be out there all the time. And then you'll be kind of boring like us lot in the garden industry. But hey, it's a price that might happen once you get into Scarifying and aeration and all that sort of thing. So anyway, Scarifiers. There is loads on the market, absolutely loads. We sell a variety of ones, from little battery stuff to pro machines. So we've just got a selection here of the petrol machines. Because if you're going to do, if you haven't Scarified for 20 years and you don't know what it is, and you're a bit like, oh, best one in the world, a battery Scarifier is not going to do the job. Okay, you're going to need a petrol machine of some sort to get in there, get all that thatch out. So the essence of Scarifying is you're removing the thatch, the moss from the lawn to give the lawn a chance to grow better. As simple as that. Moss and thatch is quite an invasive, creeping kind of plant material, and any space that's left, it'll jump into it. And with the hot weather we're having and the wet winters that we're having, it's perfect for moss to get in there and try and take over your lawn. Yes, it looks nice and green, but it's not actually grass. So if you're going to hit it hard, first of all, you're going to have to use a petrol machine. After that, for maintenance or regular sort of spring Scarifying, like spring rate Scarifying, you can use a battery one, but it will come down to size of area as well. If you've got a big area, you're probably still in the petrol category. So these are some of the ranges from the Elite range. These guys specialise in turf care products, Scarifying, overseeders, all that sort of business. And you don't have to spend millions of pounds. You can get a good Scarifier for reasonable money. So this one here is the smallest that Elite do. It's probably the smallest one that petrol one we do, actually, to be fair, width wise. There's a small babby cheap one from Alco, but this is what I'd call as the first of like a proper good quality Scarifier. It's the E401 Eco Liner, nice and basic, Briggs & Stratton engine. Now what you'll find with a lot of these ones is, and I'm going to tip it back and hopefully you'll see, and I don't scratch it because it's brand new, you'll see bladed system, okay? And you see on the front, I call them ninja blades. They look like things that ninjas would throw, but they're designed with a bit of a hook on the end, and as it's spinning around, it's hooking all that material out, and it dumps it in piles behind you. We will I'll ask Francesca nicely. We'll try and put some photos of what the material looks like on the video, what comes out once you've done Scarifying. And if all goes to plan, like I said, when we do our video, you'll see. But if you haven't done it for ages, you'll be shocked by the amount of material that comes off one of these. And then you're moving up, basically, width of mower, engine size, types of blades. So again, as you get up through the range, there's a 410, but 450 is the width of cut. Same blade sort of system. What you get with the bigger machines is you'll get blades that will kind of self-sharpen. I think they give like 100 hours use. And again, same principle, just covering a wider area. It's going to bash all that stuff out. And the easiest way to collect it all, by the way, is with your lawnmower. So you cut your lawn short, so hence why you don't do it in the summer, because you'd burn off the lawn to nothing. Hence why it's kind of a spring and an autumn thing. Cut it short, Scarify, and then go and use your lawnmower to collect all the clippings, because there is mountains of it, literally mountains of it. And that's the stuff that's inhibiting your grass to grow nicely, okay? When you've done one, you'll be proper surprised. You think, blimey, you know, no wonder the grass isn't growing very well, because all the crap's just all in the lawn. So these ones are a domestic sort of setup. This is a pro machine, early pro machine. Right then, so, as I was talking, we had a slight malfunction. Because it's so damn hot, the camera and everything went squiffy and told us to put it in the fridge. Well, I didn't tell us to put it in the fridge, but we put it in the fridge, otherwise we'd never finish this video. So there'll probably be a picture of it in the fridge, partly for this video. So where were we? Professional, kind of first level of pro. And then you're into the Z, is it the 550 or the 650? This is the 550 ZR. There's a 450, a 550 and a 650 in these. So these are like the pro Scarifiers. Now, like I said, this is for probably contractors, unless you've got a humongous lawn that you like to Scarify lots. It works a bit differently. It's got a roller in it, it's self-propelled, it's wider, a lot more expensive. The big difference between these, whereas these blades, they turn sort of front over end and drop the material back in again. This one scoops the material up. Similar sort of blade system, but they're shaped this way. So they'll scoop the material up. And what that does is, you've cut your lawn short, obviously, you're putting it through, you just scoop the material out, and then once it's left the rubbish on there, it's just rolling the ground flat again, you know, to take a lot of all the sort of unevenness out again, and then leaves you just easy collection at the end. So it's a video, it's a very brief introduction to some people. If you've seen some of the other stuff, I think we have gone more in depth on some of them. And when we do the Scarifying video, which we will get around to at some point, I'll tip the machine upside down and show you all like the process of it. But it's just basically to, let's say, get you in the mood for Scarifying, because it won't be far away by the time this video goes out. And like I say, there is loads of different models out there you can buy. You don't have to buy the biggest and best. We do the elite ones, we do Alco do some, we do WeBang do some Scarifiers, so there's plenty of choice. Still do some Scarifiers as well. So we've got plenty of choice out there to suit everybody's budget and what they want to do. But basically that was a brief intro to what Scarifying is. And also, and before I go, back to the benefits of Scarifying, because it just entered my head. In this hot weather, to try and future-proof the lawns from going brown, in the spring you want to get in there and Scarify, reseed, get all those patches covered, aerate, and then hopefully during these hot spells, which, I don't know, could be a one-off couple of 3-year blip, could be every year we're doing this now, who knows. If I knew that, I'd be the world's cleverest person, I think. it'll give your lawn a healthy start or a healthy chance to stay looking greener for longer, to get us through those bad sort of real heat wave, 30+ degree kind of climate conditions. So anyway, that's probably enough on Scarifying, just for a video as an intro to it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.